And LDS, definitely a growing technology. Select Connect, we've invested a great deal in this technology. We believe in it. Where do you, as the president of LPKF USA, see the technology going in the next few years?
So as I mentioned before, cell phone antennas is a very, very common technology right now that's very, very prolific in that area. We see a lot of growth right now in the automotive and medical world, as well as in the military world. Military antenna applications are very, very common now or becoming common with the LDS technology. Again, using the space constraint that you have in some devices and getting better performance out of that. So going past the commercial cell phone application world into the more professional antenna applications, as well as interconnects for automotive and medical.
Okay. And then along with that, you mentioned the space constraints where a lot of people are utilizing the LDS technology.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of benefits do you get with laser direct structure?
The true benefit is that if I may use a part like this here, the plastic carrier that we probably have in many applications today, this is an automotive application here. Plastic carrier is, we need this anyways right now, but then we have to add a circuit board to it, we have to add wiring and connectors and put all these things together. I can all do this in one part, and this is an example for this. The circuit structure is on the plastic part that we used to use as a mechanical feature in the first place. Now we just add more functionality to it. So that's the first step where those LDS parts become interesting. But then we can drive it a step further. We can actually create parts, like you see this antenna here, for example. This is a part that just can't be made with a flex circuit because you can't bend a flex circuit in multiple dimensions at the same time. This is truly 3D. So if you want a three-dimensional antenna, there's no other or no better way to do this right now.
Okay. So what you're saying is if you've got to go around curves in small spaces, anywhere where you're really constrained by the axis, the X, Y, and Z axis,
Mm-hmm.
laser direct structure from your standpoint is the ideal technology.
Absolutely it is.
Okay.
And then the part that makes it so attractive is that we use a laser to put the circuit artwork on the part. That means the part itself is injection molded as a standard plastic injection molding part. There's no black magic to this.
Mm-hmm.
And then the circuit structure is projected on that part in a three-dimensional fashion directly on that item. And the big benefit for this is also design freeze can be much later, so you can still adjust your circuit artwork later on in the process. While your parts are already molded, you can make a lot of parts and then later on decide what type of structure you want to put on there or fine-tune your structure. Really, that's one of the reasons why the cell phone antenna guys like this so much, because they can move their design freeze later on in the process. While they already mold parts, they can already design. You still work and fine-tune the antenna to get the best performance out of it.
Right.